So you're thinking about making a move to Louisville, Kentucky. Well, I'm standing here today in the suburb of Northfield, which is right off of Watterson 264 Expressway, right by I-71 north going up towards Cincinnati. And you are close to shopping, dining, groceries, entertainment, everything, right? So if you're looking to make that move today, I'm going to show you guys some 3 houses in all different price points, 300K, mid 400s, and even 700s, so you get a glimpse of what's really going on in Louisville, Kentucky. And I'm Hunter Gain here. My team and I, we get people who are interested in buying and selling here in Louisville, Kentucky. And so if that's you, just feel free to drop your information below. A text, a call, an email, even joining in on a Zoom link is something that we look forward to doing every day with buyers and sellers just like you. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. So you're thinking of moving to Louisville, Kentucky? Well, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why, and one of them right here in Northfield, Kentucky, according to niche.com, is the #1 place to move in Louisville. And just by some of the stats, they're over $100,000 more average home value compared to the rest of Louisville, sitting at about $393,000. Something that's really cool too, 75% of this area and suburb is owners, which is great for you as a homeowner. You know that there's going to be a lot better treatment of properties, of homes, and some pride in the area. You're also surrounded by a top private school here, Kentucky Country Day, according to niche.com, as well as Ballard High School, which is just down the road. So there's top neighborhoods and areas to really be in. And as you can see, Mojitos Tapas, a local franchise, Grassa Grama, and you guys are going to see just why Northfield and why people are moving to this suburb of Louisville, Kentucky. So follow me, and we're going to take a look at some top areas to be. Okay, so before I hop out and show you guys some of these awesome properties, I want to tell you guys that I don't even live in this area, and I partake in Mojitos Tapas. Grassa Grama is a favorite of a lot of clients of mine, friends of mine, and I know people who have gone to some of these schools that are very coveted. Let's go ahead and dive on in. We're here at the first property, 5100 US Highway 52, and there's a few condos that are for sale, but what I wanted to show you guys was a little mix of the area. You're right here on Brownsboro Road, right off US Highway 42, that connects another part of Louisville, and condos over here range anywhere from $250,000 to this one that I'm bringing you all to, unit 1114 at $360,000, right? So they're all 2-bedroom, 2 bathrooms, 1,500 square feet. So about the size of a ranch single-family home, but you live in a condo complex. So a lot of the exterior maintenance, the roof, the windows, things like that, the homeowner, windows and in, won't have to deal with anything on the outside. So a lot of times water, sewer, internet and utilities and stuff are paid for by the HOA, and that's something to look into with each one. But the benefits, depending on if you're a young bachelor or if you're a little older and you don't want to deal with stairs, you've got an elevator. So we're right here in the edge of Northfield, and you've got location to Ballard High School, like I said. You've got great location to a bunch of other schools and areas, and if you could, I could probably throw a rock over here to First Watch Breakfast Cafe, Kroger, for all my shopping and groceries, food, entertainment, and other things. We're in a really nice spot. So again, this 51 US Highway 42, but some other really cool features about Louisville are right here, and you're so close to Watterson, you're so close to interstate, that this is a really cool spot. So let's head on to the second one. And so one of the reasons that Northfield is such a nice area, it's got great location, like I said, shopping, entertainment, amenities. But as you can see with this review right here, people are giving great feedback after living here, and that's not even me asking for feedback. I just found that on websites. So reviews of these areas, people love living here, and I can tell you that that is exactly why people are staying here and not moving out. People are always wanting to move in, but there's less people leaving. So feel free to reach out if you've got any questions about that, but let's go ahead and dive on in. What's going on, everybody? At the next property here in the very established Thornhill neighborhood, the Northfield area and Brownsboro area. And so right behind me is actually a house in the $400,000 price point at $460,000. It's a beautiful 4-bed, 2.5 bath home, little over 2,200 square feet with a mix of basement and upstairs. And sitting right here on a cul-de-sac actually allows a really great area for confidence and not having to be cautious with kids running out and getting hit by cars, no oncoming traffic, stuff like that. We're here with a very well-established neighborhood. So what you get with houses just like this in Louisville, Kentucky, as you can see, they're traditional style. A lot of them are, and they've got brick builds. They've got solid foundations. These houses have been here for so long that they've grown up. You can tell by the trees. I call it a mature neighborhood. It's where people really want to live, right? They're in awesome school districts. They've got great location to shopping and entertainment, things that I've already said before, but especially when you're sitting on over a third of an acre, you've got a lot to go with in terms of landscaping, everything like that. So come check this out. That's my quick spiel in the $400,000 price point. So we've seen mid-3s, mid-4s. We're gonna go take a look at the 700. So let's go on. I'm at the third and final house in our tour of the Northfield suburb of Louisville. Like I said, according to niche.com, one of the top areas to live in, Louisville, Kentucky. And we're here in the beautiful custom-built home area in Aaliyah Court. And it's awesome neighborhood. And as you can see right behind me, we're looking at almost a 3,800 square feet beauty. It's a 3-bed, 6-bathroom home, just under 3,800 square feet. And it's got 3 garages. It sits on a beautiful lot right over here by some top schools that I've already mentioned. And it's a really fine house. Hardwood in there, and with your location, it's really cool. So this is a very small, tight-knit community, and it's a coveted neighborhood to be in. So I want to end this with saying, if you're looking to buy or sell here in Louisville, Kentucky, then reach out. I get contacts like this very often, and whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, then reach out to me, Hunter Gann Realtor. Feel free to text me or call me. Even schedule a Zoom link. I want to meet you where you're at. So Hunter Gann here with Weichert Realtors, signing off.